Hello and welcome to this lesson. Today, we're going to learn Mandarin related to using public transport in China. You might have studied HSK 1 or 2, but can you use it in real life? Today, we learn a very practical topic, using public transportation in China. Let's start slowly, together, okay? Our first scene is buying a ticket. The key phrase is my piào, which means buy a ticket. Try saying it once, my piào. Now, let's learn how to ask for help. Excuse me, where can I buy tickets? Is Qingwen zainali mai piao? Say it slowly. Qingwen zainali mai piao? When specifying the quantity, you might say, I want to buy 2 tickets. Wo shang mei liang zhang piao. The pattern is wo shang I want, followed by the action. Here's a quick tip. No cash? Many people use QR codes. Hen duo ren yong erwema. You can pay with your phone. Ni kei yong shouji fukuan. Scene 2. Finding the platform. If you don't know how to go, you can ask, excuse me, where is the subway station? Qingwen, dìtiě zhàn zainar? Say it slowly. Dìtiě zhàn zainar? When navigating, you might hear, Yijizu, go straight. Wang zuo zhao, go left. Wang yu zhao, go right. Practice with me. Left, right, straight. Scene 3. On the train. Zuo means take/sit. Xia che means get off. Dao means arrive. For example, Wo dao lei, I arrived. If you are on the train and need to know when to leave, ask, where do I get off? Wo zainar xia che, say it slowly. Wo zainar xia che. Let's practice listening. The announcement might say, Xia yi zhan, Beijing zhan. Next station, Beijing station. Repeat it slowly. Xia yi zhan, Beijing zhan. For pronunciation, listen carefully, slower, and speak clearly. Huoche is train, and hei is river. Pay attention to the tones. Say it again. Train, river. Let's practice the scenarios. I will ask you questions, and you answer. Ready? First question. What do you want to do? You might answer, I want to buy a ticket. Next. Where are you going? Example. I go to Beijing station. Last. Where do you get off? Pause for your answer. Let's recap what we learned today. We covered my piao, buy ticket. Zuo yu, left right. Xia yi zhan, next station. Dìtiě zhàn, subway station. And xia che, get off. Say it again, okay? Great. You did very well today. Remember to learn a little every day. What do you want to learn next? Booking a hotel, ordering food, or taking a taxi? Thank you. See you next time.